This is a song called Jigsaw that I wrote the other day. Way up high, right in the sky, so far over all the birds fly. I will take you there someday, but I will let you know where it will be. I will take you on a journey across the world, and everywhere we go you'll be my girl. We both know that it's meant to be, but how long will it take you to see? Our time is running out, so tell me now, are we gonna get through this somehow? Open up your eyes and see. My world would be so small. So before you get your kiss goodbye, I want you to know you complete my jigsaw, I'll never let you go. 2 years pass and you've moved so far away. You've started a new family and you're well on your way. My jigsaw's broke, I can't find my missing piece. Please come home, I won't admit defeat. I'm a broken man and I fear I'm gonna fall. Are you there to catch me? I can't hear your call. I close my eyes and I think of you. I awake in the clouds, looking down on you. Way up high, right in the sky, so far up where all the birds fly. I'm waiting for you and I'm ready to go. Our journey starts today, 2024. We board our ship and we say goodbye, not knowing where we're going or where we're gonna fly. Our ship takes off and we're on our way. The journey we both wanted starts again today. The journey we both wanted starts again today.